After indecision candle 2 days ago, we can see that the price has formed yesterday a bullish breakout above 2618.75, which is a bullish breakout above important resistance level and currently acting as a support. We can see that the price has stopped just in between this resistance and the support level, and currently is forming a bearish candle where is probability that the price will return back down to the small support level, just confirm the previous resistance, now acting as a support, and from there starting to move to the upwards because of this bullish breakout, which is indicating bullish momentum. Yesterday inside the premium analysis, I have mentioned to the traders this bullish breakout above 2628.13, a bullish breakout with the target here at the resistance level at 2634.86, and after that I have also mentioned a bearish breakout here with the target right here. So this is something that is inside the premium analysis during the day shared with the traders. So if you would like to receive this breakouts, feel free to check the link below in the description so you can also join the premium analysis. What we can expect, so the price is currently forming a small, we can see that after the price formed this bearish pin bar right here at the resistance level, it has reached the first support level. But we can see 2618.75 on the daily time frame has been broken by the bulls, and currently there is a possibility that the price retraces back down just to confirm the previous resistance, acting now as a support for the further rise in value. Will it happen? We'll see on the lower time frame, like a 1 hour time frame and 4 hour time frame. We'll see how the price behave, but we can see that first on the 1 hour time frame, the price has this small resistance, a small support level that needs to be broken in order to fall in value. Will it happen? We'll see how the price behaves, and if that happens, we'll see how the price behaves around this support level. If that happens, there is also probability that the price returns immediately after this support, making a bullish breakout above this resistance, and to continue to rise in value. We can see where is the next target, 2653.45. Will it happen? We'll see, but we can see that on the daily time frame we have a bullish breakout indicating further rise in value, where the first level as a target will be for me at least here, 2645.82, and we can see that on the lower time frame, just a minute, 2647.18 is the 4 hour time frame, also the target. So this is the target where I'm targeting on the daily time frame before the price reaches the mainly daily target, which is a resistance level and also a supply zone, just to be on the safe side. And after that, if the price makes a bullish breakout above this one, we can see that the price will try to reach area here, which is 2653.45. But if we can see today the price returns below this area of support, going below demand zone, this will be a failed bullish breakout indicating further decline in value, so the price could move further down to the lower levels, where the next support will be 2586.24. So let's see how the price behaves on the lower time frame, 1 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame, which are very important levels, and this is something that I will discuss during the day with the traders inside the premium analysis. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.